Right, so we've unboxed everything. So let's go through what's in the box first. We got the main unit, okay? So everything on the main unit is already fixed. You don't have to do anything. So working from the unit in sequence, let's try and go through this. So what we're going to do is take the gauge, and that's going to obviously fit onto the unit. The hose fits onto the gauge. We've then got the whip hose. The whip hose has a male connector, so obviously connecting this to the hose. The other end of the whip hose connects to the gun, and then obviously the tip and guard connect to the gun. That's everything in sequence. Okay, but let's go through just a few of the bits that you've got in the box so you know what they are. Firstly, Q-lube. That's something that you're going to put in the piston section to keep the packers lubed up. You're pretty much going to do that every time you use it, either before, after, or both. You've got a couple of spanners, which are ideal for obviously starting to connect everything, which we'll do in a second. You've got a tightening rod, okay? Don't worry about this too much. This is for tightening your packers, but you won't need to deal with that for quite a while. And when you do, we've obviously got a video for you guys already. And then what you've got is wet film gauge. Again, we've got videos to explain how this works and why it's important when you're actually painting. And the last thing you get, okay, is a safety card. With every gun you buy, comes with a safety card. It's something you need to have, that if you ever do have a fluid injection or you think you have, this needs to go with you straight away to A&E to show, obviously, the doctors, to explain what's happened and the best course of action. Also inside the book, in the box, you get a couple of leaflets, extra bits, but also the user manual. Obviously, it's worth reading through the user manual just to, well, see if you've missed anything. Right, let's put this bad boy together.